In this video, I just wanted to show you what I have been up to the last few weeks. And as you can see in this first clip, I have been making art. I actually set up a goal for myself to draw something every single day for 30 days, even if it's just a quick 5-minute sketch. And I'm very proud to say that I stuck with it and finished it. I gave myself this challenge because I felt like previously there were long pauses between each of my artworks, and that in turn made me feel rusty and like I don't know what I'm doing every single time I try to draw something. But now that I've been drawing for 4 weeks straight, the process is much smoother. In other news, I've finally got a few orders from my shop from people I don't know in real life. The first two I packaged without filming because I was too excited, but I managed to capture the third one on camera. This lovely person ordered both of my washi tapes, Acorns and Leaves and Pumpkin Patch. Of course, I added the fox sticker freebie, and because I have no self-control, I also added the duck sticker. I hope the package has arrived safe and sound. Then something exciting came to my mailbox, all the way from Texas, USA, from Printy Cat, aka Gabriela. I'll link her information down below. I get 2 adorable die-cut stickers of a corgi and a kitty, plus a cute sticker sheet based on her real-life pet Milo. Definitely recommend to check her out. Later, I also decided to retake all of the product photos from my launch to match up with the ones I made for fall update. Now all the listings look cohesive. Finally, when I'm not drawing or working on my shop, I like to relax by reading books, watching TV. I recently did my yearly Gilmore Girls rewatch and cuddled up with some lovely pet friends. I hope you have enjoyed this little behind the scenes look of my day-to-day life / my small business, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!